Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair Toyota Highlander climate control. First, let's begin by checking the simplest potential issues. Start by locating your vehicle's fuse box, typically found under the hood or inside the cabin. Carefully inspect the fuses related to your climate control system, such as the blower motor fuse. If you find a blown fuse, replace it with a new one of the exact same amperage. This simple step often resolves many common climate control problems, saving you time and effort. Next, we'll address the blower motor and resistor, common culprits for air delivery issues. The blower motor is typically found beneath the passenger side dashboard. Disconnect its electrical connector and mounting screws to remove it. You can test the motor directly with a 12-volt power source. If the motor doesn't spin, it needs replacement. Similarly, inspect the blower motor resistor, often located near the motor, for any visible damage. Replacing these parts is usually straightforward with basic hand tools. Now, let's tackle temperature control issues, which often point to a faulty blend door actuator. These actuators are usually situated behind the glove box or near the center console. Listen for clicking or grinding sounds when adjusting the temperature, a common sign of failure. To replace it, carefully remove the mounting screws and disconnect the electrical connector. Ensure the new actuator is correctly aligned with the blend door shaft before securing it. This step restores your ability to control cabin temperature effectively. After replacing any components, it's time for reassembly and testing. Carefully reconnect all electrical connectors and secure any panels you removed. Start your Toyota Highlander and thoroughly test every climate control function. Check all fan speeds, temperature settings, and air distribution modes. Ensure air flows strongly and changes temperature as expected. If issues persist, it might be time to consult a certified technician for a more in-depth diagnostic. Congratulations on tackling your climate control repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.